Hello everybody, welcome back to our monthly unboxing series here on YouTube. So today we are unboxing the January Pamper and Prosper box. Bring in the new year with us with a full dose of self-care and prosperity. So let's get into it. So first we have the Bath Blessing Aloe Healing Soap. So aloe has been widely known for its ability as a soothing and healing agent for damaged skin. Calendula flowers are known for their ability to help in healing processes of bruises, scratches, and even varicose veins. And even though the soap does contain actual calendula flowers, it still maintains its herbaceous aloe aroma. And this soap scent was actually chosen by one of our founding subscribing members, Diane, so thank you so much for your idea. Next we have Spongology's EcoFriendly Body Wash Infused Contouring Glove. This glove is naturally formulated to help smooth areas prone to cellulite, which is something that we all love here. This is an all-in-one beauty treatment and is infused with natural skin toning ingredients like coffee and sea kelp. You can use this glove to cleanse, exfoliate, and massage to help stimulate circulation. And it has this wonderful sweet fragrance of warm coconut and citrus. And so to use this glove, what you want to do is, if you're using it in the shower or the bath, wet it so that it softens, because when it arrives it will be stiff because of all the soap inside of it. So you want to soften it under the water and then just use it to exfoliate your skin and it will feel amazing. Next we have the Pomegranate Pear Ring in the New Year Sugar Scrub. So this is the sugar scrub of all sugar scrubs. It's made with a premium blend of oils and fair trade organic sugar and pomegranate pear essential oil. This is going to leave your skin feeling so wonderful and soft. I cannot believe the way that it made my skin feel when I used it. And it is filled with essential oils like olive and coconut oils, which you know are amazing for your skin. And you don't need a lot, just place a little dollop on your skin either in the bath or in the shower and exfoliate away. Next we have the Champagne Lip Scrub from Roses and Rose. It contains coconut oil, which is perfect for moisturizing your lips, and champagne because it's the new year and you deserve to have some fun and celebrate. And next we have our two bath bombs. So first is the Vision Balm, and it is made with a decadent blend of fruit and is so rich in moisture. And look at how gorgeous this is when it's dissolving. Oh my goodness. You can see the seeds bouncing up and down in the water. I think it's so gorgeous and so cool, and it has the most vibrant color. Next we have the New Year's Sparkle Bath Bomb, and it is in the scent Coconut Lush, and this smells so rich and luxurious. I wanted to eat it. I didn't, but I wanted to because it's so, it smells like a combination of vanilla and coconut. It is so delicious and luxurious, and this bath bomb dissolves in such a beautiful way because you can see the gorgeous copper strand dissolving within the bath water, and it looks like copper marble. I think it's so pretty and luxurious. And if you are new to the Bath Blessing box, there is also a shower option. So if you don't have a bath at home but you still want to enjoy these goodies, we have a shower option for you to choose, which is where instead of the bath bombs you get 2 shower steamers. So the shower steamers that you'll get in this month's box are Honey Oatmeal and Festive New Year. And if you decide to opt for the Surprise Me option, which is where you can get a mixture of shower and bath goods, you will get a mixture of what you have seen in this video. So thank y'all so much for watching. I hope that you liked this video. Make sure to leave a comment down below and tell us what you're looking forward to the most this month. I think that my favorite product is the glove, just because it's so cool. I think it's such a cool product. And okay, even when I just filmed the little part in this video of putting it on my arm, I felt so hydrated and my arm felt so smooth and buttery, so I definitely recommend trying that out first. And if you got last month's box, make sure to leave a comment below and tell us what your favorite product was from last month. So anyways, thank you all so much for watching, and we will see you next month for the February box. Bye!